Welcome to my vlog guys, it's me Chubbs the Runner, and for today's video I will be showing you my rotational shoes. Let's go! So to start with, for my LSD runs, I am using the Nike Vomero Plus. I really like these shoes guys, it's very comfortable, very chill ride, it feels like that parang nasa ulap ka guys. And for my intervals, also I am using the Nike Zoom Fly 6. This shoe, it has carbon plate. Maganda to guys ihataw sa intervals. They are using the ZoomX foam. Super comfy yan guys. And for the Adidas, of course, kung may Nike tayo, of course meron din tayo Adidas for the tempo runs. So I am using this Adizero Boston 12. We are using the Light Strike Pro Foam. Same sa Evo SL and sa Adios Pro lines nila ng mga shoes guys. And ito yung sa baba niya, yung puti is the Light Strike 2.0. So medyo firm siya guys. Na-try ko na to siya mag-half marathon pero masakit siya sa paa ko. So ginagamit ko na lang talaga siya for my tempo runs and intervals. I also have Evo SL. So I've got 2 pairs. Na nagandaan ko sa Evo SL is yung design niya, napaka-aesthetic. They are also using the Light Strike Pro material, so napaka-comfy. Yung stability niya parang hindi siya stable. Pag technical na yung ruta, hindi na siya stable. Unless kung straight lang, okay yung Evo SL. Ginagamit ko lang to sa guys sa mga short distances like 3K, 5K, 10K. Pag more than 10, hindi ko na siya ginagamit kasi medyo masakit na siya sa paa. For my race shoes, I am also using the Adios Pro 4. Gamit sila ng Light Strike Pro, same sa Evo SL pero medyo makapal lang siya guys. It has energy rods as well. This is the fastest shoe of the Adidas. For my stability shoes, minsan pag easy runs lang 3K, 5K, I am using the Nike Structure 25. So this is their stability shoes. So kung nag-overpronate ka guys, better get stability shoes. So I have 2 stability shoes. One is the Nike Structure 25. I have the Gel Kayana 31. Hindi ko na rin siya masyadong ginagamit guys. I think need ko na to siya labhan. Ayan, stability shoes. The Nike Train Pegasus 5. Siya guys, the Nike. Ayan, so sumasali rin tayo minsan sa mga OCR such as Spartans, Arabian Warrior. So ito yung ginagamit ko guys, Trail Pegasus. Ayan, para kapit na kapit yung shoes mo sa mga bato, sa mga sands, or even sa mga putek guys. So ito yung ginagamit ko guys. For my easy runs, another easy runs, I am using the New Balance Congo. Hindi ko na rin ito ginagamit guys. Ayan, I'm using this, the New Balance. So try ko nga ito gamitin minsan. Virgin pa to guys, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. So baka ipamigay na lang natin siguro sa mga loyal followers natin. By the way guys, I am size 11 or size 45. So comment lang kayo guys sa comment section bakit ko to ibigay sa inyo. So kung if you are running with a purpose, so just comment lang, bibigay ko to sa inyo guys. So meron din tayo guys, DV8 Nitro Elite 2. This is the super shoe of Puma. Medyo luma na to siya guys kasi ito may bago na kasi ngayon yung DV8 Nitro Elite 3. Pero virgin pa rin to guys. Minsan ko lang to ginagamit. Nagamit ko na to siya one of my half marathon, DCS 21K. So far so good. Maganda yung ride, yung stability, maganda yung cushion, yung energy return guys. One of the best shoe. Meron din tayong Vaporfly 4. So this is the Nike Vaporfly 4. One of the fastest shoe of the Nike. So if you are racing from 10k to 21k, you can use this Vaporfly 4. Pero lately, meron akong nakita ang gumamit ng Vaporfly 4 full marathon sa World Major. So kasi ako guys, medyo mabigat kasi ako eh. So kailangan natin ng medyo makapal na cushion. And what else? Ano pa ba ipapakita ko sa inyo guys? And this weekend guys, I will be joining the full marathon sa ADNOC sa Abu Dhabi. This is my first marathon. Okay, so for that, gagamit tayo ng Nike Alpha Fly 3. So for 3 days ko pa lang siya ginagamit guys. So nag-run ako 3k, 8k, 5k. So kanina 10k para at least ma-feel na natin yung ano, para at least maka-adjust na yung paa natin sa bagong shoes. Okay? Thank you guys. Hindi ako nagpapa-show off. Talaga, addict lang talaga ako at budol. Mostly budol lang to guys. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Chubs the Runner. Peace.